In today's video, we're diving into a revolutionary platform that's set to transform the way you approach pre-production. So I want you to look no further than Canva. It's the ultimate design and collaboration platform that can take your filmmaking journey to new heights. From script to screen, Canva offers a wide range of tools and features that empower independent filmmakers to bring their vision to life with ease and professionalism. Gone are the days of relying solely on expensive graphic designers or struggling with complex design software. Cause baby, when I was learning Photoshop, I wanted to pull my hair out. I hated everything about it. I'd convinced myself that I hated anything technical. That all changed though when I started using Canva. It's so simple to use and I use it nearly every day. With Canva, you have the power to create stunning mood boards, captivating storyboards, and eye-catching marketing materials in just a few clicks. So trust me, you won't want to miss this. So let's just jump right on in. What's up, my Diversity in Cinema Academy fam? I'm Theta Catalan, and this is the place to be if you're an aspiring filmmaker, video creator, and screenwriter. Now, I'm sure you're all well aware of filmmaking being a visual medium, and visual storytelling plays a crucial role in engaging and captivating audiences. As an independent filmmaker, it is important to have a clear vision of your film and to effectively communicate that vision to your team and potential investors. Now, I talk more about articulating your vision in this video, so be sure to check that video out. Now, this is where Canva can help you with your vision. Pre-production is a critical phase in the filmmaking process where every detail is meticulously planned and prepared. And if you're not doing that, then you should be doing that. And I'm about to share some tools with you that can help you with it, okay? Now, Canva can be an invaluable tool during this phase, helping you streamline and enhance your pre-production process. One of the key features of Canva is its ability to create captivating mood boards. Mood boards are a powerful tool for setting the tone and visual style of your film. They serve as a visual reference that helps you convey your vision to your team. So with Canva, creating captivating mood boards has never been easier. Now, let's start designing your mood board on Canva. So what you would do first is select a template or create a blank canvas. Canva offers a wide range of templates specifically designed for mood boards, featuring different layouts and design elements. So it's no need for you to have to start from scratch on this, baby. If they already got it there for you, just go ahead and use it and then enhance it. Now, once you have chosen your template, you can start adding images, colors, and text to create a visually compelling mood board. Canva's extensive library of images allows you to search for specific visuals that align with your desired aesthetic. You can choose from a wide range of stock photos, illustrations, and icons, or you can upload your own images. Canva also provides various image editing tools such as filters and cropping to help you customize your visuals. In addition to images, you can also experiment with different colors and typography to create a cohesive and visually appealing mood board. Canva offers a wide selection of fonts and colors, allowing you to choose the ones that best represent your vision. So this is how you can start kind of getting your idea of how you want your movie poster to look as well. Those colors and fonts and all that can all be in your mood board. You can also add text to your mood board to provide context or highlight specific elements. Once you are satisfied with your mood board, you can easily share it with your team by generating a shareable link or downloading it as a PDF. This makes collaboration and feedback seamless, allowing your team to provide input and suggestions. So by using Canva to design captivating mood boards, you can effectively communicate your vision and inspire your team to bring that vision to life. Not only that, you can use this mood board in your pitch decks. Okay, so if you are finding any value in anything I have shared with you so far in this video, go ahead and hit that like button and let me know. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. Now, in addition to mood boards, Canva also allows you to design storyboards, which are a sequence of illustrations or images that visually represent the key moments of your film. Storyboards are an essential tool for planning shots, visualizing scenes, and communicating your vision. With Canva, you can easily create visually stunning storyboards that capture the essence of your film. To start creating your storyboard on Canva, you can either choose a pre-made template or create a blank canvas. Canva offers a variety of storyboard templates featuring different layouts and formatting options. Once you have selected your template, you can start adding illustrations, images, and text to each panel. Very similar to what you would do for your mood board. So that's how easy it is. Now, Canva's drag and drop interface makes it easy to arrange and organize your storyboard panels. You can resize and reposition elements, add captions or dialogue, and even incorporate arrows or lines to indicate camera movements or transitions. Canva also allows you to customize the colors, fonts, and overall design of your storyboard to match your vision. In addition to visual elements, you can also add notes or instructions to each panel to provide additional context for your team. This helps ensure that everyone is aligned and understands your vision for each shot. Now, once your storyboard is complete, you can share it with your team by generating a shareable link or downloading it as a PDF. This makes it easy to collaborate and gather feedback, allowing your team to provide input and suggestions to refine your storyboard. So, by using Canva to create visually stunning storyboards, you can effectively plan and communicate your vision, ensuring that everyone is on the same page and ready to bring your script to life. So there you have it, the dynamic duo of mood boards and storyboards, powered by none other than Canva. This innovative platform is your ultimate companion on your filmmaking journey, transforming your ideas into striking visuals that captivate audiences. So why wait? Join the ranks of successful independent filmmakers who've harnessed the power of Canva to bring their visions to life. From script to screen, Canva is your passport to a world of limitless creativity. So I'll leave a link below to help you get started. And to get started, it's free. Now, go out there, amaze your team, wow your audience, and make your mark in the world of independent filmmaking. And if you want more tips on how Canva can help filmmakers, then check out this video. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more insightful content on indie filmmaking. Then I'll see you in the next video.